One dead, students among those rescued in St. James bus plunge. Newborn wrapped in blanket abandoned along roadway in Trelawney. GC Foster College Vice Principal Gibbs Williams murdered in Portmore. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A male occupant of a minibus that piles the Cambridge to Montego Bay route in St. James died as a result of injuries he sustained when the vehicle ran off the Long Hill Road in the parish and plunged over a precipice on Thursday afternoon. The identity of the deceased has not yet been established. 6 other injured passengers, including 4 students, who were rescued from the precipice by emergency team members, were taken to hospital for treatment. The Trelawney police are seeking the parents of a newborn girl who was abandoned along the Sawyers Main Road last night. The police reported that about 7 o'clock, a resident was walking along the roadway when a motor car was seen coming to a stop and someone aboard placing something on the side of the road. The woman made checks and found the baby girl wrapped in a blanket. The police were summoned and the newborn was taken to hospital where she was admitted. The Child Protection and Family Services Agency was also contacted. Anyone with information that can aid in the investigation is being asked to call the Falmouth Police at 876-954-3073 or the Duncans Police at 876-954-2433 or the Police 119 emergency number. Gibbs Williams, a national cricket manager and vice principal at GC Foster College of Physical Education and Sport, was shot dead in Portmore, St. Catherine this afternoon. Commander SSP Christopher Phillips says Williams was attacked at the Portmore Hospital complex. No motive has yet been established for the killing.